Hi, my name is Amy and I'm with Teardrop, and we're just going to show you some creative ways to eat food while camping. Normally I'm a big planner, but this trip we are doing one night in each spot, so you have to be, what's the word? You have to improvise. So we stopped at a local place in Golden Beach and we got some really beautiful pink shrimps that are local here in Oregon. And then I brought along some microgreens, which for me are my favorite thing because my kids are super picky. They get some vegetables. And then I whipped up a quick Thousand Island with fresh dill, pickle, and capers from the local seafood place. And so that's the start of our dinner. And this is a creative way to have something besides just hot dogs, even though we are gonna have a couple hot dogs. Last night I had these hoagie rolls, and to be creative, to get everyone to have a little side instead of just like potato salad or something like that. I took Old Bay. Got some Irish butter here. All right, so I'm gonna take a generous part of the butter. And then over here I microplaned some garlic, just like that. So we got that going. Just a little bit, because when you microplane it, it gets really strong. And plus, this is also from the grown in Golden Beach, and when it's grown locally it tends to be stronger, so we want to use a little bit less. Have a little parsley, a little thyme from our garden, and a little bit of dill, and then a little bit of Old Bay, a little bit of salt, and with our trailer back here, super easy to cook. We have all these different sections. I just go and I grab my spices. We've been doing this for I don't know how many years now, but we have different ways to easily get in here and grab what I need. And then you take this over here to our huge cast iron pan, put it right on here, and grill it up. So in here we got the tamales. Since we don't have a lid for the cast iron pan, it's an easy way to like steam, and last night we did salmon this way. You just put it in foil, put a little water in it, wrap it up, turn this on like this, and it will steam it, just like that. Sister Smokehouse hot dogs, which I like to do other things hot dogs, but right now there's a couple left and we need to use them. All right, we got some beautiful prawns here from Golden Beach, the local seafood place again. And my husband decided to use, let's find it, trail dust. You know, sometimes out here you gotta be a little more creative. Would I use this at home? Probably not, but time to be creative and try something else. I would have preferred the Old Bay, but since we're doing the Old Bay on the Texas toast style hoagie rolls, we're gonna give this a try and see how it turns out.
It's shrimpy time.
All right, I'm just gonna add a little more of this microplaned garlic right in here, and then all the herbs. There we go.
The best part of this dinner is the taste. And the flavor.
The texture. And with an outdoor kitchen, cleanup is easy.
I'm River with Teardrop. I'm here to show you the accommodations. Follow me. This is our normal sleeping area. Everybody fits perfectly in here, nice and cozy. But every once in a while, my parents need some space. So we have the upper floor. spacious up here. We have our things, and we can actually stand up. As you can see, Treebeard over here is riding our guard pig.
Well, there you have it. Camping and cooking in style with Ben Teardrop.
Oh.